Here in this transaction we have two aspects. One is cash and bank. Okay, cash is real account, and as I said, bank is a personal account. When cash is being deposited, when you are depositing cash on behalf of your company into the bank, bank being the personal account is receiving it, and cash is going out of your organization. This is real account. Okay, so personal account says debit the receiver, so bank will be debited, and cash is a real account. Real account says debit what comes in, credit what goes out. So that is why it has happened on 10th. We'll put the date as 10. Bank account debited, because bank is receiving cash on behalf of you and cash is going out of the company, so we will credit cash account, and in entry we'll write being cash deposited in bank. Okay, why we are writing this entry? Because cash is being deposited in bank. Being cash deposited in bank. How much amount we have deposited? We have deposited 2000 rupees. So we'll write that very same amount here, 2000 and 2000. Okay. Next, on 13th, received cash from Mr. Shekhar. If you see, we sold goods for credit to Mr. Shekhar. He was supposed to give us cash. He has paid us back. So here we have two accounts. One is cash and the other one is Mr. Shekhar. Mr. Shekhar is a personal account. Cash is a real account. When Mr. Shekhar is giving cash, cash is coming into the organization. Real account says debit what comes in. So we will debit cash, and Mr. Shekhar is giving us the cash. Personal account says debit the receiver, credit the giver. Because Mr. Shekhar is giving, we will credit him. So that has happened on 13th. Cash is coming into the organization. We will debit it. And who is giving this? Mr. Shekhar. Account. Okay. So how much have we received? We have received 2000 rupees. So we will write 2000 and 2000 again. Ouch. Alright. Okay. Being cash received from Mr. Shekhar. Being cash received from Mr. Shekhar. Okay, so this is how this journal entry will be written. After that, on 17th, see what has happened. Cash withdrawn for personal use. Who has taken this cash? The owner of the company. Owner of the company, when he takes the cash from the company, we call it as drawings. Okay, and in yesterday's list, I have told you drawings is a personal account. Okay, so have a look. Cash is withdrawn for personal use. We have cash withdrawn because it is personal use. We treat it as drawings. Okay, one is drawing and the second aspect is cash. When cash is taken out from the company, it is going out. It is a real account, and it says that debit what comes in, credit what goes out. So we will credit cash, and drawings is a personal account, and personal account, it says that debit the receiver, credit the giver. Who is receiving this cash? The proprietor, the owner of the company. Okay, so whenever the owner of the company takes the amount from the company, that is called as drawings for his personal use. So that is how we'll write this journal entry. Drawings account debited to cash account. How much amount is taken? 3000 is taken. So we will put that amount, 3000 in debit and 3000 in credit. Being cash withdrawn for personal use. You can write the same statement what is written here in this description. Being cash withdrawn for personal use. Alright. The next one we have is paid rent. When a rent is being paid, one is rent, the aspect when you are paying it through cash. Cash is your second aspect. Rent is a nominal account. Nominal account says debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. When your company is paying rent, it is an expense to it. Okay, so this is a nominal account, this is a real account. Real account says debit what comes in, credit what goes out. When you are paying rent, your cash is going out. That is why cash will be credited, and rent being a nominal account, it is an expenditure. Debit all expenses and losses, so we will be, because rent is an expense, we will debit it. When did it happen? On 20th. So you will put the date 20th. Rent account debited to cash. As I said, when we write cash and credit means it is going out of the company. Why it is going out? Towards the payment of rent. Being rent paid. Keep your descriptions as short as possible. How much rent is being paid? 500 rupees. So that very same amount we will write here. Okay. So that was about payment of rent. The next entry we have is salaries outstanding. Okay, 300 rupees on 21st it has happened. Okay, to be paid. Salaries outstanding means to be paid. Yesterday I told you that outstandings are personal account. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. Or I think for today till 20th it's enough. Tomorrow I'll explain you these remaining 9 journal entries. Okay, yeah. Thank you for listening to the class, dear students.